Actually, the vision for the company has been that it should be a company for the first choice for my customers who are in from economically weaker section and low income group. This segment of customer do not have many opportunities to take the loan for their houses because they cannot afford the houses within the big cities, and mostly they take houses at the outskirts of city or in tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 cities across the roads when small towns are there, where many lenders are not very keen to finance. So most of the low-income focused housing finance companies, which are quite in large number, they are focused in financing. So since we have right from the very beginning, we have seen that we should be at the center of my customers' requirement, and we should understand, communicate them well, and they should understand. So we look forward that in going forward, this company continues to be not only the large in size, that is one thing that everybody can achieve, but we want to be the most sought for, most loved organization for our customers. Our customers, if anybody in their neighborhood wants a house, they should think of Aadhar Housing Finance. That has been my dream. One. Second, the employees who work with me in this company, I'm very happy that in our last 9-10 years, a large section of employees, particularly the middle management and the senior management level, they remained with us. Unlike that people continue to move every 3 or 4, 5 years, that has not been the case with us. Though in the lower level, people keep on moving for every time getting hike in salary, but still, we have an average vintage of in the lower level also for more than 3 years of the employees. The whole idea is that we always believe that it is a extended Aadhar family where every employee should enjoy working and feel that he is contributing in the organization, and he is allowed to contribute by way of his ideas and all that. Regarding the employee development, the first and foremost thing which I have been pursuing, even from my public sector bank days, that you should always take care of the employees. Employees should have a confidence in the employer that, look, is a caring employer. There are 3-4 things which I believe. One is the employee's confidence in the care you provide to him. In case of any emergency, in case of any need, in case of any problem, he can look at you and he can talk to the every level of the employee in the company. It is not the block that you are junior level, you cannot talk to the higher level person. So that's one thing. Second, as regard everybody works for the money. It is not that mere talks and mere good things can't help because they have run their family. They should be reasonably paid among the peer group, among the market, so that, and the incentive scheme should be quite built in. Apart from the salaries and the incentive, there are certain other benefits which this company offers. I think probably this is the only company maybe in the housing finance space in the low income which offers the employees the housing loan at 4%. This is actually financial benefit, but this we enable him to they are providing housing loan to the customers. They should also get the loan for making their own roof. That's one. Second, when the COVID came, every company brought some scheme, not only for the medical treatment, but for the unfortunate death during the COVID. Every company was compensating. Aadhar has not confined the COVID period only. Any unfortunate death of employee, irrespective of what vintage he had, the company provides that bereaved family immediate support of 25 lakhs rupees. That's one, which I don't think that is available. Plus the benefit from medical insurance, which everybody gives. This is nothing additional for us. And third thing, we allow, if their children are school going, till the graduation, we allow them the free education. And if anybody, his wife or somebody wants to get an employment, we provide them. So that is what we touch the family, even his wife, his children. They feel that is not only a source of earning money, But this कोई कितने LIC का स्लोगन है, जीने के साथ भी जीने के बाद भी. Aadhar tries to follow that. We have learning and development team very well equipped with this. Any employee who joins the company, irrespective of the lowest level off-role employee or the manager level or any level, excepting top management, he is given an induction in the company within 15 days of his joining. The day he joins his branch officer, they familiarize with him. But the learning and development department, through a structured program for 3-4 hours, they give them induction, tell them what are the benefits you get, what are the responsibilities of the company, what company is. He is completely told about the company, about the employee, about himself. All those things are told in 3-4 hours. Within 15 days, that's the ongoing one. And thereafter, every Saturday, the branches, the seniors, they conduct program for 2 hours for the junior level of employees who have newly joined. That's the ongoing thing. Every quarter, we have a locational program. Any policy or anything changes come to be familiarize them. That's thing. And the branch manager and the senior level persons, once in a week, call them to the one center in a lot of 50-60, and we give the branch manager effectiveness program. So this is not only confined to branch manager, the area, technical, legal, so all set of employees, they get one training, good training for 2-3 days once a year, plus the periodical training, short duration courses through Zoom they are given. Learning and Development Department, one employee is always there in every zone. He keeps on conducting the program, calling the faculty from within senior people. The whole idea is that if my employees are not properly trained, they will not be able to give the performance the way like. We don't believe in immediately hiring and firing. That we have hired somebody and if next 3 months he is not able to deliver, we evaluate why he is not able to contribute. We spend time, we engage with the non-performer to see that his performance level comes to the average level, and then we try to go to the good and excellent level. Whole idea is that if we keep on sacking the people in 3-4 months because the numbers have not come, then this process of recruiting will continue. But still, despite all those things, 5% to 3%, 4% people in sales mostly, other functions people get learning. They will always be there. We provide them a reasonable period of 6 months to learn and then perform. It is not that we are in a hurry to get performance from tomorrow. I tell you about 7-8 years back, there were hardly a few female staff were there that would corporate office. Today, we have even technical managers who are civil engineers going to the field for visiting house, doing valuation. Not much in number, because we always, when we go for campus placement, our preference is that even in every function, when the girls can go in the Air Force, why not the girls can come and have a bike or whatever the vehicle they want to wheel and go to the customer's valuation. That's one thing we have done. Corporate office, I think more than around 60% females are there. Administrative offices are there. But overall, if you ask me, there is still number of females we could reach about 11% of total manpower. But the whole idea in the management trainee or the apprentice, we ensure that at least 30-40% as maximum number of females are possible there. And you will be very happy to note that we have our receptionist as a transgender. This is one of the very important questions which is the buzzword today. Indian economy, you see, I think probably if I try, the government has taken much important lead in digitization than any company have taken. You would say most of the aspect of the government, they are digitized, and the initiative is government took and the need of digitization, every company in India is on digitization, and that journey is moving forward. It is estimated that digital economy in India is going to be, I think, in few years' time, number one in the world. That India is going to have a biggest digital economy. It has actually, if you see when we talk of economy, you see how much massive work we are doing. If earlier we were any bank or any organization were able to carry out 1,000 or few thousand transactions, now they can carry out transaction in the millions and millions. So that digitization is the ultimate for the success of organization, for the efficiency in the cost of operation, for the ease in operation, and for the comfort and the ease and the joy for the customers. It is not only that we are going to digitize my operational things. We have to do, every company is digitizing the customer facing things. But today, I think India is not only in a growth of digitization, it is third level country in the globe. If you go 20, 25, 30 years back, the HR role used to be most of an industrial relation role. Then it came the human resources. When I remember 40, 50 years back when I was in the bank 40 years back, they were mostly doing the appointment letter, inquiries and all those things they have been doing. And gradually they realized that they are dealing with the human being. Then the human resource word has come. Today, HR occupies the central place in the organization. HR is the department which sets up the tone for the culture of organization. What as a CEO or what as a top management we visualize the culture of company should be there. It is the HR who has to drive. Now, and secondly, how the employee feels about the company, it is HR he has to drive. All the policies which I talk to you, without HR, HR could not have been possible. And not only that, with employee engagement, and though HR should also be a partner in the business. It is not that business to be done by the business officer or somebody else or the credit officer and all that. HR has to be all pervasive in the organization, not as an authority, but as a support function to ensure that business he understands the business, why the employees are not able to do, what support is required to be given. I think HR is not now confined only to recruitment, but it has gone in the every activity at the company, and where the HR head or CHRO and his team is responsive to the call of the employee, responsive to the call of internal customer. For internal customers are the head of departments, the seniors, the employees, they are there. If he is responsive to that, I have always trying to tell my HR head, you have to be a listening person. Only then the organization can be a listening organization, and listening organization not only takes care of the employee but takes care of the customers' grievances also. So today time has come, the culture of organization should be the culture of customer excellence, customers of business excellence, culture of employees' happiness. So when everybody talking about the happiness index, HR, MD and CEO and the team member have to make it join.